you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, we are unboxing the Tribe Beauty Box for April 2020. Tribe Beauty Box is $34.99 a month, and you get 5 to 7 full-size items, and each box retails for over $100. I do have an affiliate code with Tribe. You can use code ayyyeeeitsamanda for 10% off, and if you use my code or order through my link, I do make a small commission. My Tribe playlist will be linked to watch previous Tribe unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. So this is new packaging. I haven't seen this before, but I'm digging it. All right, and it looks pretty jam-packed. The first product we have by Suva Beauty. This is the Rose Period Palette, and it retails for $40. Ooh, this packaging, she cute. Suva has been a hit or miss brand for me. For the most part, their eyeshadows that I've tried have worked out. Didn't really have the best luck with their eyeliners or liquid lips, so I'll stick to their eyeshadows. Ooh, this palette, she cute. Okay. I like this color story. It is very spring, and it's definitely a lot cooler than something I would reach for, but you know, it's something new, something fresh for me. Yeah, I want to do some swatches. Apothecary, Harley Quinn, Purple Rose. Ooh, those are so creamy. Both the mattes and that one shimmer. Ooh, that felt really nice. Sicily Sweetbriar Chiffon. I am loving these shimmers the most. I am just a sucker for shimmers, but that does not take away how good the mattes are performing based off the swatch. Passionate Eden Lace. Passionate for the inner corners. Bam, it's gonna be poppin'. I can already feel it. Floral Hues Pastel. And this is the entire palette swatched. Everything felt really nice and creamy. As I mentioned, this color story is a lot cooler than something I am gravitated towards, but I definitely have some spring vibes to it. $40 for this palette. I mean, Suva isn't a brand that I go out of my way on purchasing. All the products that I have came from subscription boxes, so it's nice to receive. I don't know, I'm just so picky with eyeshadow palettes these days. I mainly just want ColourPop palettes, and I know that they release so much, it's very overwhelming, but I can't beat the quality and price for ColourPop. Like, splurging for me is on a Jeffree Star palette. If Be Perfect Cosmetics came out with another one, I guess these days those are the palettes that I'm leaning towards as opposed to something like this, but that doesn't take away anything from this palette. I'm very excited to try it on my eyes, and based off these swatches, I expect them to blend out nice and have some good payoff. Next, we have the Annette 69 Beauty Creations Highlighter Collab, and it retails for $15.99. I remember people going bananas when this highlighter was released. Ooh, look at that pan. She is huge. She is pretty. She looks pigmented. Ooh, okay. Like peachy gold highlighter, up my alley. And it's a baked highlighter. I haven't used a baked highlighter in so long. I use just typical pressed highlighters. Sometimes if I'm feeling adventurous, I will use a loose highlighter. I have used a couple things from Beauty Creations, a couple of their palettes. They've been hit or miss, but this highlighter definitely seems like a hit. I'm loving this little alien packaging. Next, we have the Conjac Sponge Facial Sponges by Grace and Stella, and this retails for $15. I usually don't use products like these in my skincare routine. I have a very vigorous routine, if you will. So I'm gonna be setting aside these for a giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, my 1K giveaway has been delayed. I did place some orders for some items to be in the giveaway, so I'm thinking of using what I have. That way it's not delayed any further, and then all the items that I purchased will be spread out through some other giveaways down the line. Stay tuned for that. I know that I have teased it here and there, but I keep getting emails about delays in shipments and stuff due to the current situation, so I really want to do this giveaway, and I still have a lot of exciting items for you guys. I hope you guys are excited. Definitely have that bell on for when that giveaway goes live. The next item we have is the Rose Quartz Lip Plump by Skin Chemists, and this retails for $29.99. This is going to be another item that's going to be set aside with the sponges, and it's because I know for me, I can be very allergic to a lot of lip plumping products. I end up looking like the cheap fish from Mario. The only product that doesn't really irritate me are BOXYCHARM's lip plumping glosses. That's the only one that I really stick with for that pumping effect. That's just one trend that I haven't really been into, honestly. And then the last product, we have two lip liners by Mirabella, and it retails for $18. What shade did I get? I got the shade Tease. I got the same shades. Okay, it better be a good shade. You could have either gotten Cheeky, Smart, or Tease, and I got two teases. So I'm gonna set one aside for a giveaway as well. So we're giving over half the box, and let's see what Tease looks like. Ooh, that shade matches the palette really nice. It felt really creamy. I know for me, I don't really use many pencil lip liners. I usually find them really rough. The Drawer Cosmetics ones are also pencils like this, and they're creamy too, but retractable ones I usually use because those are the creamiest, and you don't need a pencil sharpener for them, even though I'm being better with mine. I just need to use lip liners a little bit more. So April's Tribe, I found it pretty well balanced, but it's not my favorite box, but it wasn't the worst. I don't know. I'm not overly excited about anything, but I'm not disappointed with anything that I got. It's nothing against Tribe or the brands or products received. It's just nothing is just, ooh, ah, I needed to have this box, but I'm glad I received what I did. I'm excited to share half of the box with you guys, but I would love to know if you guys get Tribe Beauty Box. Did you get the same variation as me? What did you guys think of the products and how did they work out for you? And do you plan on getting June's Tribe Beauty Box? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.